Hello guys, welcome to my channel CodeRack. So today we are going to discuss how to install Laravel 5.8 in your local machine. So as you know, Laravel has quite many versions. Like if I show you, they have like 5.8, 6, 7, 8. But today we are going to install Laravel 5.8 in your local machine, so that we can have some basic idea how Laravel installation work, because as the version get upgraded, they have changed in their pattern how to install was Laravel in your systems. So we are going to see their documentation, installation documentation of 5.8, as you can see. So before that one, and yeah, there's one more thing. They have some requirement in order to have in your system in order to install 5.8. And one more thing, you need to have Composer in your machine. So because most of the commands are run through Composer. They basically use Composer in the background. Okay, and they have written as well. So this one is basically first download and the Laravel installation using Composer. But we are going to install Laravel through command line directly. As you can see, they have mentioned the version number as well, 5.8. If some client have requirement, like they want specific version, so if you will not mention there, then they will just install the latest version. So if you are thinking you will install some versions, then you need to mention here. Okay, so if I show you, okay, I have just recently installed 5.8 by running that command. If I show my terminal, you can see they have installed quite many packages. You can see I have run the command and they have made installation in my folder. You can see they have installed quite many useful packages which we might require in our projects. Okay, so they are just saying they have amended some packages, so not to install that, but these packages they install by itself, so there is no issue if you are getting these kind of things. Okay, so now I have installed Laravel. Now if I go inside that folder, if I run cmd, okay, I have installed my Laravel. Now what they say, php artisan serve. Okay, now if I run this command, php artisan serve, now they say, okay, they have given us one port number. This port number is our URL for this project. So if I go 127.0.0, what was that, 0.1, it was I think double colon, let me check, yeah, single colon, sorry, 8000. okay, so if I hit enter, it's loading. Something will come up. Okay, by the time it will come up, let's discuss some. Okay, let me tell you something about Laravel. As you can see, once you install that Laravel, okay, it says site can't be reached. Okay, sorry, I have written 124, that's why it was there. Okay, yeah, so here is your Laravel. Okay, so you have installed your first Laravel project in your system. Okay, now in the next tutorials we are going to discuss about what folder structure they have, and we are going to create one blogging system in this Laravel, through this Laravel, and we will discuss about other features, how to create models, their relationship. So we will go one by one. So but today you have seen how to install Laravel in your system. Thank you all.